Where's the puppies? Where's the puppies? Oh, Daisy's gone out for a pee. So now we've taken the puppies. Oh, somebody's way over here. Who's that? Says I'm out. So they were born December the 29th. Well, one was born on the 28th. But I can't tell you which one. It was a boy. See all the different colors. Do you have a video camera? Daisy should be back outside. She just went outside for her evening pee. What way? Pretty little. Oh, I can hear her. She's back already. She goes out and does her business and comes right back in. There's a drink. Just fed her. Here she comes now, and let Daisy back in. Not yet. Hi, Daisy. Hi, sweetie. Hi, Daisy. Those your babies. Hi, sweetie. Hi, baby. Hi, Daisy. Oh, there's all your babies, sweetheart. Oh, it says Mommy's back. Mommy's back, yeah. Now they're in for it. Now all the babies are in for it. Daisy's going to make sure all her babies are well clean for her. Oh, and the poor little squawker out here. Hello, little one. Hello. Oh, this is one of the bigger boys, isn't it? Yeah, he's squawking. He's pissed. There you go. Get back in there. Go see Mommy. One of the big boys. He says, I'm pissed. Go see your Mommy. He says, we're all in there. There's a couple of legs under there. Oh, there goes one in there, too. You'd think they hadn't seen her for hours. It's been like 10 minutes. No, it hasn't been that long. Maybe about 5. There you go, Daisy. What a good mommy. Daisy. 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 Hi, sweetheart. Hi, sweetheart. How you doing, sweetie pie? Hmm? Okay, well, we'll meet the puppies now. Oh boy,